Why are we kinder to total strangers than to the people we love the most? It sounds backward, right? You hold the door for someone you'll never see again, but snap at your partner the second they forget something small. You say thank you to a cashier, but ignore your sibling who made you dinner. Well, psychology finally has an answer. And what it reveals about how we treat the people closest to us is both eye-opening and a little uncomfortable. Researchers say this behavior isn't just coincidence. It's deeply rooted in how our brains are wired for emotional safety and familiarity. When we're around strangers, we put on our best face. But around loved ones, our guard drops, and so does our filter. So we take them for granted. Now hold that thought, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell. We explore the hidden truths of human behavior, psychology and relationships, the stuff that really makes us tick. Let's get deeper into it. One major reason people are kinder to strangers is something called the cognitive load theory. When you interact with someone you barely know, your brain stays alert, cautious, polite, aware. You don't want to offend or make things awkward, so you default to kindness. But with loved ones, your brain switches to autopilot. It assumes safety, and that assumption makes you more likely to let your true emotions, even the negative ones, surface unchecked. Another factor? Expectation. We expect our friends and family to understand us. We believe they'll forgive us. That safety net sometimes turns into an excuse for poor behavior. Over time, this pattern can become toxic, leaving the people we care about feeling overlooked, unappreciated, or even hurt, all while we're being praised as such a nice person by those who barely know us. But here's the twist. We're not bad people for doing this. It's natural, it's human, but it's also something we can change once we become aware of it. The good news? A simple shift in awareness and intentional kindness, even just small, daily moments of appreciation, can transform your closest relationships. Want the full breakdown of why we behave this way and how to reverse the pattern? The full article is linked in the first pinned comment. Go check it out.